Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prepping. Today we are going to be preparing these Pulmuone sweet cinnamon pancakes that I picked up at Costco. These directions are going to be for the microwave. If you'd like to know how to cook this on the stovetop or in the air fryer, I will leave links down below for those videos. Now we've got everything that we need assembled here. It is going to be, of course, your pancakes and just a microwave safe plate. If you don't have a microwave safe plate, feel free to use a couple paper towels folded into a square or something like that. Just something so that you're not placing it directly onto your microwave turntable because that makes a mess. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right, so we have placed our pancake onto our microwave safe plate or paper towel or whatever other thing you have improvised. We're going to open up our microwave and pop this in there. I'm doing one frozen pancake, so we are going to start off with 50 seconds. All right, we have got dough that does not quite look done, so we are going to do this for 30 seconds, and I'm gonna keep an eye on it and stop it if I feel like I need to. If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content. Let's take a look at our center. That's very, very hot, but it is pretty liquidy, it feels like, so we can call this done. All right, guys, there is our completed Pulmuone sweet cinnamon pancakes made in the microwave. Now that we've made it, here's what I think that you should do with it. Now that we've taken out the garbage, definitely go to the stovetop version of this video and check out how I would recommend making this for the best results. If you'd like to know how these pancakes taste whenever they are made the right way, go check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase these again or not. But in the meantime, before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.